What's up, ladies and gentlemen? Everyone between Hooker here. And today I'm going to show you a fix for the glitch to get you the underwater car thing. Yeah, I just started this game, but as a YouTuber, it's my responsibility to show you cool tricks like this, and I love this game. And that being said, if y'all can just subscribe to my channel for showing you this trick, you don't have to watch my videos, but just subscribe to my channel. It really helps me out. I'd also like to give out a big shout out to DBH Seller 01. Check him out on eBay. Trust me, you'll love it. So, that being said and done, let's just get right into the glitch. So, you're going to be on GTA Online. As you guys can see, I'm on GTA Online. If you're on a controller, hit start. I'm on a mouse and keyboard. I'm hitting the escape key. We're going to go to online, right? Once you see online, go down to creator, right? And then we're going to quit. Now, they're trying to fix this glitch so you can't get that underwater vehicle so easily. And you're not going to be able to press start in the creator studio. So now you see we're in the creator studio. You should be able to press start. If you can press start or escape, that's awesome. But I think they just fixed that, so you're not going to be able to do this. So this is that fix. This is the fix to prompt the start menu in order to get you into a invite only session. If you're on you're going to need to go to your keyboard and you're going to see the Windows key. You're going to press that, right? It's going to take you out of the game and then just click back into the game and it's going to prompt the start it's going to start prompt the start menu. Okay, the screen should have just gone black there for a second. That's me getting out of the game. Now I'm in the game. As you see, I'm in the prompt menu. So now we're going to go to online and then we're going to hit play GTA Online, right? And then invite only session. And it's just that easy, guys. This is going to enable you to continuously spin the lucky wheel in order to unlock the underwater vehicle. If this helped you, please subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions at all, leave them in the comments down below. And again, check out DBH Seller 01 on eBay. That's DBH space Seller 01. I'll have a link for his channel down below. All right, guys, definitely slap that like button, leave a comment down below, and I'll see you guys later. This is Hooker signing out.